Imagine you're on a business trip to Tokyo, enjoying a delicious sushi dinner. As you're about to pay, you wonder, can Expensify handle this yen transaction? That's a great question, and one that many Expensify users ask. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Expensify currencies. Expensify is a powerful expense management tool that simplifies the process of tracking, submitting, and reimbursing expenses. But what about those international trips where you're dealing with multiple currencies? Does Expensify have you covered? The short answer is yes. Expensify supports a wide range of currencies, making it easy for you to track your expenses no matter where you go. Let's break down the key points. Supported currencies. Expensify supports a vast array of currencies, from the US dollar and euro to more exotic options like the Japanese yen and Australian dollar. You can find the complete list on the Expensify website or app. Automatic currency conversion. When you enter an expense in a foreign currency, Expensify will automatically convert it to your base currency using real-time exchange rates. This saves you time and ensures accuracy. Multi-currency reporting. Expensify also provides multi-currency reporting, allowing you to view your expenses in multiple currencies at once. This is particularly helpful for businesses with international operations. Per diem rates. If you're traveling on business, Expensify can help you track your per diem expenses. You can set your per diem rate in your preferred currency, and Expensify will automatically calculate your daily allowance. Let's address some common questions about Expensify currencies. Can I add custom currencies? While Expensify doesn't allow you to add custom currencies, the supported list is extensive and covers most major currencies. How accurate are the exchange rates? Expensify uses real-time exchange rates to ensure accuracy. You can always verify the rate used for your transactions. Can I view my expenses in multiple currencies on my reports? Yes, Expensify allows you to view your expenses in multiple currencies on your reports. This is helpful for understanding your spending patterns across different regions. So, whether you're traveling to Tokyo for a business meeting or London for a vacation, Expensify has you covered. With its support for a wide range of currencies and automatic conversion, you can easily track and manage your expenses, no matter where you go. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Expensify currencies or expense management in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.